Hello, Frog Pond staff. We are here today to talk a little bit about cyberbullying. So let's start by talking about what we need to know about cyberbullying. First of all, what is cyberbullying? Well, anytime a student is threatened or intimidated using electronic technology, this is considered cyberbullying. It involves harassing, demeaning, threatening, embarrassing someone online. All of these are forms of cyberbullying that we may see from our students. The victims of cyberbullying are more likely to be girls than they are boys. However, 42% of teens report that they have been cyberbullied at one time or another. Obviously, because this is done electronically, we see most of it on mobile devices, can be on social media, instant messaging, chat rooms, email, or even over texting. The perpetrators of cyberbullying are also more likely to be girls than boys. It's important to keep in mind that children with less involved parents, those with anxiety and depression, these children also tend to display bullying behaviors. Reports are not conclusive on that. However, those are some signs that we might see in somebody who's likely to be a perpetrator. Why does it matter? Well, first of all, cyberbullying is on the rise, which makes sense because we have a huge increase in technology. A recent report showed that principals report an increase in cyberbullying daily, weekly, and monthly. The only increase we didn't see was in the never section of cyberbullying. This is important to us because we see the difference in our students. Those who are being cyberbullied can be depressed. We might even in extreme cases see suicide as a result of cyberbullying. Why is the school involved? It seems like it's something that happens outside of school, so maybe it's something that should be dealt with there. However, 48 states have bullying laws in place, many of which also pertain to cyberbullying. And recent court cases have upheld that schools can discipline students when it leads to a disruption in school. It's important to keep in mind that we are also responsible for the well-being of our students, both psychologically and physically. What can you do? First of all, if a student reports cyberbullying to you, please take it seriously. Report it as soon as possible, report it as soon as you possibly can to the administration or the school resource officer. Demonstrate care for the victim. A lot of times, just simply letting them know you care is something that will really help the victim out. Finally, advise your victim and his or her parents to collect evidence. They should be reporting, taking screenshots and printing anything they can. In conclusion, please keep in mind, cyberbullying is a very serious offense. It is our duty to protect our students, and a student who is a victim of cyberbullying can be helped. We do not need to just wash our hands and walk away from it. Thank you very much for your time and attention today.